Hey, welcome back everyone. You're looking at a 2007 Mazda MX-5 with 79,000 miles on it. You see a sticker there for 15,000. We've just marked it down to 14,000 plus your taxes and fees, and this has got a lot of life left in it. Back in 2007, this was one of the heavier generation MX-5s, but still handles crisp. You still have 50-50 weight distribution, 166 horsepower, and a slick shifting 6-speed manual with great heel-toe action. I don't have many of these to choose from. This is my only MX-5 in inventory unless you want to go new, which I have, and that's still a blast. Easy entry into a 2026 model is going to run about 33. And so this was traded in for a 2026. You've got some decent tread left on the tires. It does look like the previous owner might have gone through some wet cement, and this is not coming off easy. Also, too, reconditioning on this, I'd have to say that this would be something that you'd have to live with. Otherwise, you're replacing the whole bumper, which would set you back. It is a touring trim, which gave you the nice wheels back then. And in 2007, I still didn't know what a legend this would be for my career or within the automotive enthusiast space. As a look at the 6-speed manual, 2007 was still giving you a CD player. The air does blow cold in here. Clutch feels good. It is a little bit heavy, not like a new one. But there's still a lot of life left in this. You could put this on track today and have a blast with it. Leather wrapped steering wheel still in good shape. So you see 79,000 miles. Now I've seen 2007 model years with 39,000 miles going for 17. But this within our area happens to be priced accordingly. But for asking 15,000, are we just overpricing pedigree here? I would love to have this as a daily driver, even though it's known as one of the heavier spec generations for the MX-5. This color was copper red mica. And runs great, suspension is nice, brakes feel good. But I've got to find somebody that has $15,000 cash. I can't finance this car because it's too old to get a loan for. But highly reliable and lots of fun. I mean, today's market is crazy on any car. With everything that's gone on from COVID to interest rates to inventory. So the case for this one, what do you think? Would you buy this for $15,000? Let me know in the comments your thoughts on this generation MX-5, and if you own one, feel free to check out my other MX-5 videos, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great weekend, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.